يا أهلا. I am Muhammad Omar, and in this lesson we will study vocabulary and phrases about the topic of education in Egyptian Arabic. مدرسة. مدرسة. مدرسة means school. مدرسة. جامعة. جامعة means university. جامعة. كلية. كلية. كلية means faculty or college. كلية. كلية الطب. كلية الطب means faculty of medicine. الطب medicine. معهد. معهد means institute. معهد. مدرس. مدرس means teacher, male teacher. مدرسة is the female word of مدرس. مدرسة means a teacher, a woman teacher. مدرسة. بيدرس فلسفة. بيدرس فلسفة means he is studying philosophy. بيدرس means he is studying. فلسفة means philosophy. بيدرس فلسفة. بيدرس فلسفة means he is teaching philosophy. بيدرس versus بيدرس. Again we have بيدرس. بيدرس means he teaches. بيدرس. بيدرس. بتدرس she studies. So she is a student. بتدرس the students. بتدرس the teacher. بيدرس. علم means in Arabic science or knowledge. So all different kind of fields. علم. علم. بيتعلم means he is learning. بيتعلم. بيتعلم applies to knowledge, skill, science, profession. هي بتدرس هندسة. بتدرس هندسة means she's studying engineering. هندسة engineering. So بتدرس here is for formal study. بتدرس. بيتعلم is used for all kinds of information, knowledge and so on. So بيتعلم is for gaining knowledge or skill. So you can use it also for learning how to swim, learning biking and so on. بيدرس is used for formal study. So بتدرس kind of science in a faculty or at like a high school or so on. Then we have بيتعلم. So بيتعلم will work well with something like, for example, a skill like Photoshop. بيتعلم Photoshop. بيدرس you use it with something like law. قانون. So بيدرس قانون. بيتعلم Photoshop and بيدرس قانون. Then we have also other two words that look also similar to other two verbs. بيعلم. So بيعلم means he is teaching. Teaching. So بيعلم means teaching. بيدرس also means teaching but for formal. So like notice here the difference between بيتعلم and بيعلم. Okay, so بيتعلم he is learning. بيعلم he is teaching. بيدرس he is studying or he is studying, and بيدرس he is teaching or he teaches. درس means lesson. درس means lesson or class. درس online. درس online means online class. حصة means class. حصة. حصة means the time that is for one class. Like حصة عربي is Arabic class. The difference between حصة and درس, that درس is focusing on the material of the lesson itself, but حصة about the time that is dedicated for this lesson. For example, حصة إنجليزي. حصة إنجليزي means English class. درس في الكتاب is a lesson in the book. درس lesson في in الكتاب the book. So this is also to stress on the difference between درس and حصة. So درس is the material itself, whether it is being taught in a class or also the material that is in the book. المدرسة بتشرح means the teacher is explaining. المدرسة بتشرح. المدرسة means teacher, female teacher. بتشرح means is explaining. بتشرح. شرح means explanation. أنا فاهم means I understand. أنا فاهم. أنا فهمت means I understood. أنا فهمت. طالب means student. طالب. This is for male. For male طالب. طالبة or طالبة is student but for female. طالبة. تلميذ is pupil, a younger student like in primary school and the first grades of school. So تلميذ, this is also for male. تلميذة is female. For female you say تلميذة. قلم means pen or pencil. It's a general word for any kind of a tool that we use for writing. قلم جاف means a pen. Literally it means dry pen. So جاف means dry. قلم جاف. قلم حبر means ink pen. قلم حبر. قلم رصاص means pencil. رصاص alone means lead, the heavy metal lead. ألوان خشب means colored pencils. ألوان means colors and the خشب is actually means wood. ألوان خشب. ألوان flomasters is ink colors. ألوان flomasters. ألوان شمع means wax crayons. ألوان means colors, شمع means wax. كشكول or notebook means a notebook with many papers, a thick notebook. كشكول. كراسة means a thin notebook with few papers. كراسة رسم is a drawing sketchbook. كراسة رسم is drawing. أستيكة means eraser. أستيكة. مسطرة means a ruler. مسطرة. براية means a pencil sharpener. براية. دباسة is stapler. دباسة. دبوس is staple or a pin as well, so has two meanings. And دبابيس is plural of it. دبوس دبابيس. خرامة is the hole punch. خرامة. سبورة is the board. Either blackboard or whiteboard is سبورة. طباشير ملون means colored chalks. طباشير means chalks, ملون means colored. طباشير ملون. ورقة means a paper. One paper. ورق is plural. ورقة. كتاب is book. كتب books. كتاب. هو قرأ الكتاب means he read the book. This is in the past tense. هو قرأ الكتاب. هو قرأ الكتاب. هو قرأ الكتاب. بيقرأ he reads بيقرأ. بحب القراية I love reading. بحب القراية. واجب is homework. واجب. أسئلة question. أسئلة questions. أسئلة. إجابات. answers. إجابات. الولد بيعمل الواجب means the boy is doing the homework. the boy is doing بيعمل homework الواجب. هو بيذاكر means he is studying. he بيذاكر studying. هو بيذاكر. مذاكرة means studying. مذاكرة. ذاكر means study. This is imperative. ذاكر. لبس المدرسة means the school uniform. لبس means clothes in general. لبس المدرسة is the school uniform. لبس المدرسة. الزي المدرسي means the same thing. الزي is cloth as well, but it's used more for the uniform. It's more specific word. باب المدرسة is the school door. The school door is باب المدرسة. باب is door. شباك means window. شباك. مواد is a subject in school like mathematics, geography and so on, and also used for material. مواد. علوم sciences. علم is any science subject. علوم. عالم is scientist. لغة عربية means Arabic language. عربي also means Arabic language. لغة عربية means language. حساب and رياضيات. حساب means arithmetic like simple math. رياضيات is more complex. حساب and رياضيات. تاريخ means history. Geography is جغرافيا. is geography. جغرافيا. كيمياء is chemistry. كيمياء أو كيمياء or كيمياء. أحياء means is used for biology. Also you can say biology. أحياء literally means living things. أحياء. اقتصاد is economy. اقتصاد. تجارة means commerce as a study, as a faculty of commerce. تجارة, and also used for trading. تجارة. قانون means law. قانون is law. قانون. شرع means also law, and it's used more in Islamic context. شرع. حقوق, or in standard Arabic حقوق, is law. So in the field of study of law we say حقوق. طب is medicine. طب. زراعة is agriculture. زراعة. هندسة engineering. هندسة. هندسة. عندي واجب كتير. عندي واجب كتير means I have a lot of homework. عندي means I have. واجب homework كتير a lot. عندي واجب كتير. We came to the end of our lesson for today. If you like this video, you may subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos. سلام.